Hey there, I am Satish. You are watching me on Lucid Study. Friends, how are you all doing? Fantastic? That sounds amazing. Dear friends, today I am back with another interesting session. Can you see that on the board? It is about time management. Friends, in fact, being busy is not working effectively. You have heard this earlier. What does it mean? You are packed up with so many works. It doesn't mean that you are completely working effectively. There might be a reason why you are busy with your work due to hectic schedule or high pressure, right? Would you like to be always work under such circumstances? Nobody likes it. Then what you do? You need to organize your time according to the plans and activities. Friends, today we are going to learn something about how to effectively manage our time. Right? Come, let us learn. Before I begin my session, I would like to ask you, what do you know about time management? Got it? Being punctual is called time management, or doing the work in time is called the time management. Okay, let us see here the definition of time management. Friends, what is the meaning of time management? Time management is a process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Time management is a skill. Time management enables someone to work effectively in specific time under high pressures, right? Good. Friends, what are the steps that we have to learn today under this time management session? Come. Friends, here we have the list of most important time management skills. The first one is prioritizing, second one delegation, third one decision making, fourth one goal setting, fifth one multitasking, sixth one problem solving, seventh one strategic thinking, and the last one here is scheduling. Let us discuss about each one in detail. Friends, here we have the first time management skill, prioritizing. The word itself tells the meaning. Give priority to something. When you give priority to something, when something is very, very important or urgency. Good. When you look at the picture, what do you understand? The multiple tasks that you have to do in specific time are written down based on the priority and importance and urgency. What is the first task that you have to do? Why it is so urgency or important? That you need to have a plan. Then give priority to that work. Suppose a student wants to prepare so many lessons for an exam. Then how he will give priority to that chapter or the exam? That is based on his importance or urgency of that particular exam. Got it? And how he will plan now? He will plan according to the syllabus that he has to complete in that time. So here what you are doing, you are exercising on the priority of the work. That's how this time management skill works in anyone's life. The next one is delegation. What do you mean by delegation? Delegation is a process of assigning a work to another person. When you assign a work to another person, that is very, very important. Here that comes under decision making. Later, you will allot a work to whom you can give based on the person's abilities, based on the person how he would complete the work in less time. Here what is important is you need to think very smarter here when you are assigning a work to somebody. And later here you are also working under a team. The very most time management skill here is decision making. Decision making is the key to success. Of course, we heard hard work is key to success. When it comes to time management skills, decision making is very, very important. When it comes to time management skills, decision making is very, very important, because as a team leader or as a leader in a school or as the head of an organization, you need to take certain decisions under high pressure. When you take a decision, you need to gather the right information and exercise on the information. Stand with the evidences. Later, you take the final decision making. Your decision making is the success of the organization. Friends, the next one is goal setting. This is very, very important. What is the meaning of goal setting? Goal setting is aiming a target to achieve it in a specific time. In order to achieve, you need to have time management skill. What is the goal you are setting? Whether it is a long-term goal or short-term goal, that is very, very important. How do you consider a long-term goal and a short-term goal? A long-term goal is where you get the result in long period of time. Above 6 months, it can be above 1 or 2 years. Short-term goal is when you put your time for your work, limited time, what kind of result you get in the short period of time. That can be a short-term goal. Friends, here we have another most important time management skill is multitasking. We are all human beings. We take more time to do some work and we take less time to do some works. But at times you need to do multiple activities under pressure or under stipulated time. At that time, you need to have all the organizing skills which we have discussed earlier just before. Now you need to be able to work as a multitasking person. Suppose when your subordinate has been absent to the office, you cannot hold the work for him. Spend some time and work on it. Later you get the result. I mean to say that you need to be a person who can perform multiple tasks in given time. Friends, here we have problem solving. We should not run out from the game when we face hardships. There is a solution for every problem. That's why you can easily solve any problem. One thing we have to do is spend some time, think about it, and look for where the problem has got the solution. Then easily you will solve it. At times we need to depend on our neighbors where we need to get our problem solved. Most of the times you are the one you can solve your problems on your own. Here we have strategic thinking. What is the meaning of strategic thinking? The word itself tells you need to have your strategies, plans in your thinking. When you look at the picture, here we have a guy who is having so many strategies for his plans so that he will easily achieve his goal based on plan A, plan B, plan C. How you will make plan A? What is according to you plan A? What is according to you plan B? What is according to plan C? These all are the different plans where you need to approach your goal. At times, plan A, the decision which you take may not work. You cannot give up. Then what you do? Then what you do is you will go for the next plan B that you have already planned before you begin the work. If plan B doesn't work, then you choose plan C. Here what I would like to tell you is, if you are in a problem, then you need to think critically. You need to think strategically based on the result that you get in time. Friends, the last one here we have is scheduling. According to the dates, according to the events and activities, we need to have a program and plan on which date, which work has to be done by which time. That is called scheduling. Got it? You need to prepare your own timetable. You need to prepare your own schedule so that you will easily achieve your goal according to all these time management skills which we have discussed. Every time management skill that we have talked about is very, very important to our lives.